In 1994, something incredible happened in our solar system, something so massive it left scars the size of Earth on a gas giant. What was it? A comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9. And its impact with Jupiter changed how we see the cosmos forever. Shoemaker-Levy 9 wasn't just one comet. It was a broken string of icy fragments torn apart by Jupiter's gravity. As it hurtled toward the giant planet, astronomers around the world watched with anticipation. And then, boom. One by one, 21 pieces slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere, each with the force of a nuclear bomb. The largest explosion released more energy than all the world's nuclear weapons combined. What did we see? Enormous fireballs, dark bruises swirling in Jupiter's clouds, a cosmic warning that even gas giants can't escape gravity's wrath. Shoemaker-Levy 9 gave us a front-row seat to a planetary defense test in real time. We learned how gas giants act as cosmic shields, protecting Earth from space debris. It helped fuel the birth of planetary defense programs we have today. This wasn't just a cool show, it was a turning point in space science. Shoemaker-Levy 9 reminded us of the raw, unpredictable power of space. It's not just ancient history, it's a message from the universe. We're small, we're fortunate, and we'd better pay attention. Curious for more? Check out more of my long-form videos now on my channel Science Spark. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.